Hello YouTube, I'm back again. I just wanted to talk about heating your beans and rice. You know, I seen a couple of comments from a couple of people the other day. They was talking about eating their beans and how hard it was for them to have the beans get soft because they've been around so long. So I'm just saying, if you don't have any power, and you don't have gas because they don't turn the gas off to keep from having the city blow up from gas leaks. This is what do you have to use? You have to use a grill. Sorry, a mosquito bit me. You have to use a grill. You have to use something like this. This is a butane stove. Got a butane stove. Or you have to use a Coleman stove. This is propane right here. I mean, they are good for heating stuff. I mean, I don't know how long it'll take you to heat up your rice and your water and stuff, because everything we gonna be cooking with is gonna basically be water. I mean, but the one thing you can do is you can probably use the grill. I mean, if you're outside and it's safe. I'm not saying going out there when they're having a riot or anything, because it might not be safe. I'm just saying you want to make sure that it's safe when you do that stuff. Okay, and another thing you got to remember is carbon monoxide gas. If you're using any kind of a stove or something like that, you got to be careful that you don't do carbon monoxide gas. You can't use like I say, a gas heater or something like that, a gas heater, gas oven inside your house, a portable gas oven, that runs off of gasoline, because you get carbon monoxide gas. Anytime you burn fuel, it could be like that. You even got to be careful when you're using butane or propane inside even one of these stoves. You got to be very careful, because carbon monoxide is poisonous, colorless, odorless gas. It can make you sick or even kill you. But I just didn't want to talk too long. I just wanted to show you that, if the shit hit the fan and things go bad, this is what you're going to have to use. See, 4th of July is a couple of days away, and I'm just making sure that my grill is okay. I got a little grill. And that's about it. Thank you, YouTube.